Ever filmed something upside down or backward and needed to fix it in post? Let's learn how to flip your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro to correct orientation issues or even get creative with your edits. First, make sure your video clip is placed on your timeline. In Premiere Pro, we'll be using a single clip for this tutorial, but the process is the same whether you have one or multiple clips. With your clip selected on the timeline, navigate over to the Effects Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and then select Effects Controls. This is where all the magic happens. Within the Effects Controls, look for a section called Transform. Here, you'll find two simple checkboxes: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. To flip your video horizontally, meaning to mirror it from left to right, simply check the Flip Horizontal box. See how the image is now reversed, perfect for correcting shots where your subject might be facing the wrong way. If you need to flip your video vertically, perhaps you filmed a shot upside down, then check the Flip Vertical box. Your clip will now be inverted. You can see the flip applied in real time in your program monitor. This is incredibly useful for correcting filming errors or for achieving unique visual styles. And just like that, your video is flipped. You can apply these flips to any video clip on your timeline and even animate them for more dynamic transitions. Mastering simple effects like flipping can significantly elevate your video editing, so go ahead and experiment with these techniques to add a professional touch and creative flair to your projects.